Hello everyone, we are from EApps Group and in this video we will present the PowerPoint that we have made. So our group consists of Abdullah, Syafiq, Dastin Darmawan and myself Owen Farida, and our group supervised by Sir Kelvin. So first of all, our application background is about determining the human benchmark with cognitive ability tests. And why cognitive ability? So our group has determined several aspects that can be affected by the cognitive ability. The first one is learning. So it will affect on how we're going to learn in our life, maybe something new or maybe something that we want to learn. And the second is problem solving. So cognitive ability will also affect on how we're going to solve the problem that we are facing in our life. Therefore, the third is decision making. It will also affect on how we are going to make decision in our life. And the fourth is our daily activities. So cognitive ability will also affect on our daily activities. But why cognitive ability tests? What problem we are trying to solve? So the problem that are currently happening about cognitive ability tests, the first one is accuracy. Accuracy in here is like the modern test versus the traditional test, where the traditional test is still using pen and paper, and the modern test we are using maybe website or maybe our digital device. So we want to know, is the modern test more accurate or maybe not as accurate as the traditional test? And the second is boring. Boring is like for the traditional test, because we know we just write down bunch of words in a paper to answer some questions. So if we use the modern test, we should know we can apply maybe some cool design or cool system like gamification, so that it can engage the user to do the test. And the third is effectiveness. We should know that the modern test should be more effective and flexible rather than the traditional test. For example, like the traditional test, we need maybe to write down manually, and if we do the modern test, we can use our digital device anywhere and anytime we can to do the test.
The literature review reveals that cognitive ability encompasses various mental processes, such as reasoning, problem solving, and learning from experience. Cognitive ability tests, including web-based survey, can effectively measure and train cognitive skill, like memory and reaction time. Gamification approach can enhance cognitive abilities and improve learning outcomes. Gamification has shown positive impact on cognitive performance, like emotional skill and cognitive learning among different populations. Overall, gamification proved to be a highly effective strategy for boosting cognitive ability and enhancing learning outcomes. Our study employs a comprehensive methodology consisting of three key components: a web-based platform from cognitive testing, questionnaire, and statistical analysis. First, we develop a website specifically designed to measure the cognitive abilities. User can access the website and engage in the cognitive test conveniently from their own device. Second, after completing the games, users are provided with questionnaire to gather the additional information about their cognitive performance and subjective experience during the test. Third, statistical analysis is conducted to analyze the collected data from the questionnaires. This analysis enables us to identify pattern and correlation within the data, providing the valuable insight to the effectiveness of the gamified cognitive tests and their impact on the cognitive abilities. In summary, our methodology involves a web-based platform from cognitive testing with the attention, memory, and visual spatial reasoning as the measurement indicator. This comprehensive approach enables us to assess the cognitive abilities and measure the impact of the gamified cognitive test effectively.
Next is the result. So after the participants have played the game on the website, we conducted a questionnaire and analyzed the scores from the website. The first part is the questionnaire. The participants were asked to rate their experience on a scale from 1 to 5, indicating their perception of cognitive improvement and the success of gamification on the website. On memory recollection ability, 84% rated it 3, 58.4% rated it 4, and then 33.2% rated it 5. On attention focus capacity, 41% rated it 3, 16.7% rated it 4, and then 41.7% rated it 5. And then on visual spatial reasoning, 88.3% rated it 2, 25% rated it 3, 50% rated it 4, and then 16.7% rated it 5. On perception of gamification success, basically if they feel like the gamification aspect of the website or of the assessment is a success, 83% of them rated it 3, 50% of them rated it 4, and 41.7% of them rated it 5. Next part is the statistic analysis. Average scores were recorded on both days to assess the changes in performance, and these are the percentages that increased. On memory recollection ability, approximately 67% of them increased on their performance. On attention focus capacity, 75% of them increased. On visual spatial reasoning, approximately 58% of them increased on their performance. So, the conclusion. The participants' positive feedback and improvement in cognitive performance indicate the effectiveness of gamified cognitive training and assessment. By providing an enjoyable experience, gamification enhances engagement and motivation, leading to better cognitive outcomes. Thank you.